Here we've got an example of a piano that could use a new Keytops. It's an old Bush and Lane upright piano. Just tuned it up and tuned up pretty good, but I mean, it's got old action parts. Some bridle straps that are broken up here. Looks like a couple, even though they've obviously been replaced at some point in time. But the Keytops are probably the one thing that needs the most work. It's got the original Ivory Keytops. You can see the grain in the Keytop, which shows, you can see that you can see the grain in the Keytops there that show they're real ivory, but a lot of them are chipped, or broken, or missing. There's some up here that are missing. You know, so these would be good to replace them. You know, you could do simulated ivory. Obviously, you couldn't replace them with real ivory unless you got your hands on some for some reason. And again, as we show in another video, that you know, getting these keys out. Well, in this one, I've got the front panel off. Over here's the front panel that goes up here, but I took that off, and then basically for this piano, at least, there's a couple screws, one on each end, right there. That'll take this board off here, and then you've got, from there, you've got the fall board, which there's going to be screws down back behind this board, probably one on each end and maybe one in the middle back behind this board. That you'll take those screws out, and then you can just lift the fall board out, and that'll give you access to be able to take the keys out, so you can replace the Keytops. So we show another video on how to replace the piano Keytops, but yeah, you could either use simulated ivory, or they can use the one-piece German Keytops with fronts, which we'll put a link in that on the video below. So you know, and again, just putting the Keytops on using glue, fairly simple job. So just feel free to visit our website, howardpianoindustries.com. We've got all the parts available for that. Thanks.